but it's not in the program. So I'll read it. But thank you for the one who wrote it. Dear Mama, my love, I'll start saying by how much I miss you. I'm going to miss you days, weeks, months, years. They'll never be the same. Our lives were just me and you. The small family, how you used to call it. Things are going to be different now because my greatest fear became a reality. Losing you. You gave me the best life to the point I was so glad and relieved that it was just the two of us. It's hard knowing I'll never be able to hear your beautiful voice because I will miss our daily conversations, especially morning and night, the ones after a night out of having fun. Speaking of fun, I believe there is no mom, there is no one who enjoyed life like you did. I always tell everyone that I want to enjoy life like my mom, and that's still the same case. Thank you for going far beyond to give me all I wanted. If it was going to the best schools, you gave me that. Going for holidays every year, you made that a tradition. And watching football live, you gave me all the unlimited access, unconditional love. You spoiled me with it. I will miss how you shouted my name. Yes, you shouted my name. We lived in a small house, but yes, I understood you because apparently the bukus have loud and strong vocal cords. I will miss how you used to use my hair to comb and fix your wigs and want my judgment on how smartly dressed you are. We did a lot together. I mean, it was just you and me, and I'm going to miss every single moment and activity we did. You are and will always be my best friend. I was the ultimate mama's boy, even with a fully grown beard and a bald head. You still did everything for me, and for that, I will always love and give thanks to God for making you my beautiful, loving, caring, fun mother. May your soul rest in peace till we meet again. I'll forever love you, Mama, now and in the next afterlife. Rest well, my love. I love you.
Thank you so much. Tumpigia makofi, let's encourage you. Asante sana. The next is sisters. They will be represented by Elizabeth.